Pero kung hindi, malaking blunder ito, kawawa naman sila. Salamat, Mr. Chairman. I end my interpellations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Villanueva. From the COA, when was your report, what was the date of your report?
You mean, sir, the 2024
Yes.
annual audit report?
Where you said that you're standing by your report that it is exposed to risks, deterioration, etc.
That is as of the annual report was transmitted to you on June 30, 2025, Mr. Chair.
So kung kailan lang? Ito lang, June.
Yes.
Okay, so you'll have to reconcile that, Mr. Administrator, no?
Well, actually, sir, Mr. Chair, ang maganda naman sa amin kasi may mga bago tayong mga heavy equipments na nakakatulong na sa kanila ngayon. So actually, every cropping kasi, meron tayong cropping calendar planning, yung SMC planning, System Management Conference. Pag may problema naman po, ay nasasabi ng ating mga IAs at in-action na naman ng ating ahensya. Kaya, anyway, yung pong requirement pala ngayon, wala na yung voluminous documents, yung certification na lamang po ng IMO, kapapalit lang natapos na yung project. So, i-require ko po sa ating team na within this year, tapusin po lahat yung requirement.
15 lang naman yan eh. So, kung meron kayong may habol bago ng plenary sa November, maganda rin. Di ba? You have a month.
Yes, pwede rin po.
Mapatutukan
po natin, Mr.
Plenary debates will be, I think, as soon as we return. So that's about a month from now. Whatever you have.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr.
Senator Villanueva, thank you very much. We will suspend the hearing for 1 Senate minute. Okay, hearing is resumed. Itong balikan ko lang yung sa balog-balog, no. Sinasabi kasi dito sa COA report, 0.9% lang. Tama ba yun? Phase 2, 2.75 billion, achieve only 0.09% completion as of October 14, 2025. Sino ba yung kausap natin kanina? Ayun, si Ginoong, tama ba yun? Yes, sabi dito, several flagship irrigation projects under the Irrigation System Development Program continue to post minimal physical progress despite substantial allocations. Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Abra Irrigation Project, 7.98 billion, registered only 0.2% accomplishment. Tumawini River Multipurpose Project, 2.1 billion, reached just 1.75%. And Balog-Balog Multipurpose Project Phase 2, 2.75 billion, achieved only 0.09% based on the submission.
Mr. Chair, actually, siguro ang kinuha ng COA dyan is yung FS component lamang po niya. But yung mga project na yun po ay yung Balog-Balog Multipurpose Project is nabid na po natin, na-award na.
Okay.
So, at yung ating Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Abra Irrigation Project po kasi, this is a design and build project, Mr. Chair. Hindi po pwede yung dalawang buwan lamang na bidding time frame dito. At least 6 months po ito. So, ito naman inisaip, mga November, ang opening natin ng bid. At yung tumawin naman po, na ibid na rin natin, nag-fail lamang po dahil yung isang nanalo rin doon sa bid na yun ay kasama doon sa 15 contractors ng and then nag-fail po yung bidding po. So, i-rebid din namin yung tumawini siguro by December, ma-award na po natin yung dalawang project na ito. But yung out of the three, yung isa is awarded na po yung balog-balog.
So siguro you will have to prepare a catch-up plan, no? Strategy, di ba? To be able to address itong observations na ito.
Yes po. By the way po, Mr. Chair, ang approximately, ang na-release lang na pondo niyan for 2025 is around 15% of the project cost. Ano po? Therefore, yung problema natin sa finance side, pag nag-collect yung contractor natin ng mobilization, ma-disburse po natin yung 15% na yan, Mr. Chair.
Balikan ko lang yun, if you will confirm this, no? Dahil last week nag-approve na ng GAB, no, ang House. At natanggap na ata namin kahapon, no. Sa 2026 net ninyo, ang nakalagay 45 billion, no. Tama ba? Do you confirm this? Sa 2026 GAB, it's now 63 billion. Tama? Nadagdagan ng about 11 or 12, 45, 55.
Anong pinagdagdag?
No, more. 18. Tama? Ano yung breakdown ng 18? Ang bilang ko lang dito, 10. Yung foreign assisted. Tama? Halaur. 10. Tapos may 11, may 12. Ano yung breakdown ng additional 18 billion?
Ano pa? Yung sa... yung pong 5.3 billion is repair of national irrigation systems and restoration of national irrigation repair and restoration of national irrigation system. Yung pong 1.772 billion ay repair and restoration naman ng communal irrigation systems natin. And then yung Halaor multipurpose project po natin is 5 billion for the irrigation facilities.
Mhm.
And yung Tumawini po natin ay nadagdagan po ng 1 billion, Sir Chair.
So itong irrigation system restoration program na dagdagan ng 7. Tama?
7.1 yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Chair. 7.
Yung National Irrigation System Sub-Program, breakdown niya, communal, other irrigation. Tapos itong Irrigation System Development Program from 7.8 naging 10. No? So another 3 or 2.5. And then may breakdown yun, no? Okay, so titingnan natin ito, no? Dahil malaking halaga pala ang dinagdag, no? Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Actually po kasi yung Halaor, actually ang number one priority ko po dyan na nilagay is yung Halaor po at saka yung Bustos Dam. Like, yung Halaor po kasi is yung irrigation facility na lang ang natitira.
Hindi nyo sinagot yung Bustos, nandito pala.
Nasa National Repair
Kaya nga, so
Restoration.
nadagdagan na.
Opo.
Hinihingi ninyo, sabi ninyo sa DBM, so mukhang ni-restore ng house o nilagdaga o nilagay.
Hindi,
Tama?
unfortunately, Mr. Chair, hindi daw pala isinama yung Bustos Dam ito sa aming request.
Okay, so siguro dyan tayo pwedeng kumuha. Di ba? I mean, if you will request it. Di ba? And then we will discuss with the chairman of the Committee on Finance. No?
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi
Kasi ang laki, from irrigation system restoration of 15, naging sa 26 net, naging 22. Yeah, that's about 7 billion additional, no? Tsaka, new national sub-program, yung ano nyo, from 4 to 6, so additional 2.1 billion. Kaso hindi rito, wala rito yung, and then Halaor, doble, 5 from the loan, billion, plus another 5 GOP counterpart. Okay. Anyway, sige, titingnan natin ito and then we'll see kung may mga request kayo, anong pwedeng ilipat.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Actually, ang priority namin dyan is yung Halaor and Bustos. Dapat yun po yung unang mapondo.
Okay. Sige. We will suspend again the hearing. I understand si Senator Win is lagaring hapon. Lagaring. Andun siya sa MMDA. Pero may mga tanong din siya. So we will suspend it momentarily. 1 Senate minute. We now have the chairman of the Committee on Finance, Senator Win Gatchalian. He has the floor and he has as many minutes as he wants.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and I apologize for going to the other meeting. Akala ko matagal pa kayo dito. So I went to the budget hearing of MMDA.
Apologies unnecessary, Mr. Chairman. Sabi ko nga, kayo masyadong masipag at naglalagari. Go ahead, go ahead. You have the floor, Senator Win.
Power bank. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I just have a few items that I want to take up with NIA, sorry. Okay. Unahin ko po itong binasa ko po yung COA report, and there's a lot of items in the COA report, Administrator, na quite concerning. No? I'll raise it up one by one. Number one, meron 37 irrigation contracts/projects with a total cost of 443 million, program to be completed in 2022, 2023, 2024, incurred significant delays ranging from 36 to 443 calendar days. Ito pong nasa screen. So, in addition, meron pang suspension of and or granting of contract time extensions on 66 contracts with an aggregate cost of 6.9 billion pesos. No? So ano po nangyari dito, Chairman? Bakit po may mga projects na, number one, bakit po nagkaroon ng delay? Dapat 2022, 2023 tapos na ho to. No? And the amounts are quite significant, 443 million.
Mr. Chair. Well, doon po sa una, sir, yung out of
Ito po ay nasa screen.
37, out of the 37 contracts, 35 po ang completed na, 2 ongoing na lamang po.
So dito po sa 37 irrigation contracts, na supposed to be 2022 pang antapos, kumusta na po ito?
35 na po, Mr. Chair, ang completed na, and 2 contracts na lang yung ongoing.
Ongoing based on this...
Opo.
ano po ang, kasi iba-iba po yung mga cause of delay, unresolved right-of-way, peace and order situation, of course, di nyo na concern yan, out of your control. Pero mga iba, unworkable site brought about bad weather condition, I guess, di rin nyo control yan. So,
yes po, yung Bulao IP po, ito po kasi sa Las Navas, Northern Samar, 98.89% naman na po, delayed due to inaccessible project site and unworkable field condition. Masyado maulan. And of course, yung pinipisakan po sa Las Navas, Northern Samar din, 95.1% po, due to unworkable weather condition din, and mag-impose po kami ng liquidated damages dito sa mga contractor na yun.
Kayong mag-charge kayo ng liquidated damages. Yes. Alright. But out of the 37, you said 35
completed na.
Completed na. Maganda naman. Quality, baka substandard to.
Maganda. Actually po, yun ang kinukwento ko po kanina. Ang maganda po sa NIA ay katulong dito pa lang po sa construction.